Tim, thanks a lot for the time. Can you
Thanks
touch
for
on
having us.
just the scope of this market analysis report?
Well, we broke the market down into two segments. The multi-phase flow meters are basically multi-sensorial systems. So that means there's typically three or more sensors that are integrated into a system using a flow computer and other kinds of software. And basically they're designed to measure oil, gas, water, condensate in a one mixture. And we also looked at the virtual flow meters, which are basically software-based solutions, which could be either hydrodynamic or data-driven. In other words, saying it either can be first principle models or using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, so these systems and solutions are designed for upstream oil and gas only. We covered the major regions of North America, EMEA, Asia, Latin America. We broke it down by project locations. We had onshore projects, offshore projects, which basically means topside, a platform or something like that. And then we had subsea projects. We had a number of different applications we provided. And we also looked at the market broken down by gamma ray attenuation is the primary sensing modal versus non-gamma. And we get into a little bit that later on. And then we lastly broke it down by measurement configuration. Can these systems be used with or without a test separator? That's the whole idea behind this, the market. So that's kind of how we broke down the market. We looked at hardware, software, and services. And within services, we broke it down by stationary pretty much, and then mobile well testing using the multi-phase flow meters, driving around in a truck with a little bit of a tow behind it to test these different wells.